Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make what I call a Pickle Devil. To make this drink, we're going to start with 2 ounces of our white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce of our dry vermouth. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then, pickle brine to taste, and for my taste, that turns out to be a 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Add your ice, and give it a stir. Glass is a cocktail glass. So I'm going to strain into there and garnish. I'm going to say there's no official garnish to this, but if you want to put a couple of olives, 1 or 3, or if you save some of the pickles from the pickle brine you're using, you can use a chip of that as a garnish. I'm not going to use a garnish today because I'm going to drink it like this, and there you have it. A Pickle Devil. Drink with good spirits.